It is not unreasonable to request that the openings of electrical outlets and wiring be protected from texture and paint. While it is true that many electricians have successfully coated outlet boxes and wiring with texture and paint without apparent issues, there are several potential risks associated with this practice. Firstly, electrical safety is paramount. Improperly sealed openings can allow moisture or debris to enter the electrical system, posing a potential safety hazard. Secondly, circuit failure can occur. Paint and texture can accumulate on electrical contacts, leading to circuit failures. Thirdly, maintenance issues can arise. It may be difficult to inspect, repair, or replace electrical components if they are covered in texture or paint. Finally, aesthetics can be affected. Uncovered openings can detract from the overall appearance of the finished surface. The National Electrical Code, Section 110.12 C states that electrical equipment shall be installed in a neat and workmanlike manner. While this code does not specifically address the protection of electrical openings, it can be interpreted as requiring that electrical installations be free from potentially hazardous conditions. The National Electrical Contractors Association recommends that electrical openings be covered with faceplates or boxes to prevent paint and texture from entering the electrical system. Your request to protect the electrical openings from texture and paint is justified by both safety and industry best practices. It is responsible to ensure the long-term safety and functionality of your electrical system.